When do we look directly into the camera on Zoom? Well, the short answer is, when would you look someone in the eye when you're sitting across from them face to face? Now, I know that may sound daunting, and that's why actors and other on-camera professionals take training and do exercises so that that skill becomes muscle memory. But you can get started by focusing on making direct eye contact via the camera on those times where it matters the most, where you want to make the most impact, or conversely, where the lack of eye contact would do the most damage. Let me give you an example. Let's say I'm your doctor and you've been having some aches and pains that we can't determine what the cause is, and now you've had some tests and I'm going to give you your diagnosis. Are you ready? Okay. Well, we've gone through the tests and don't seem to find anything that would be responsible for these symptoms. So I believe that these are going to just subside by themselves and that you're going to be fine. Do you feel fine? Possibly not. Possibly not as reassuring as it could be. Contrast that with this. So we've gone through the tests and we can't really find anything that's responsible for causing those symptoms, but I believe that those symptoms are going to start to subside and that you're going to be fine. Do you have a little more faith in my response? I would think so. So you may or may not be giving your customer a diagnosis, but there are times where you probably want to deliver something that you want them to remember or you want to stand out. Whether that's a value proposition, a key differentiator, a benefit, those are the times where you really want to look into the camera, i.e. your customer's eyes, and deliver that message so that it will have greater impact, be more credible, and more memorable.